Alright, hello everyone and welcome to the Smellswood YouTube channel. You might notice something a little bit different going on. I might have picked myself up a small yacht. I've got this little yacht for free off Facebook Marketplace. The guy needed to get rid of it because he didn't have enough money to store it, and he's got a newer, bigger yacht. So I've just been trying to organise getting it ready and getting on it and getting it in my possession. But now that I've got everything sorted, there's the little yacht. I mean, she's not a bloody Dreamliner or anything. It's got a little 6 horsepower Mercury. It's thrown everything. This is all free except for the kayak. The kayak's mine, the 1 jerry can, and the fuel hose is mine. Everything else he's donated. So he's just given all of this stuff to us. I want to call him out and I want to say his name, but I don't want to. I don't want him to get embarrassed or feel any type of obligation or anything like that. But mate, thank you so much. You know who you are. You're an absolute legend. All right, let's go into the compartment. So we have, little storage bits here. So that's all mine. That's mine. But we do have a bit of a water leak. And he's given me a free bilge pump, which is awesome. So all of this is splashing from when I've pumped it a little bit earlier. They're just pumping straight into that pipe. I have no idea where that pipe goes, but that's where we're pumping it. I did have a little squeeze and I did notice that there is a leak. Pull this chair out. That one. There is a leak down here, which is cool. That's okay. And there is another leak. This is the fore compartment. And there is another leak up there. So that's our little anchor box. I'm gonna have to make some access, but a little leak there. So might just grab all of these sails. So he's got all of drop you. He's gotten all these sails as extras. He's just given them all to me. I can't believe it. I honestly can't thank this guy enough for just giving me stuff for free. So I am so happy. I am a happy little camper. So we do have, who expects to get a boat for free and not have some water? I was expecting it to be water, but that's what it is. So yeah, join me next time. Well, I don't know if it's going to be a next time, but I'm going to do a little bit of filming today. I'm going to get up the river. I'm going to try and get some sailing experience. It's a nice, beautiful car. So it is actually like the perfect day to learn to sail. Just stay in the river, stay, protected from everything. And come with me, let's learn how to yacht.